This is how to automatically save emails from Gmail into Google Sheets using Zapier. So let's say you want to create a Zap where you add a specific email that comes to your Gmail to populate in your Google Sheets. Then this is the steps you need to follow. For me now, I want my emails to be about content idea. Okay, I want my team members to send me a content idea for our social media marketing. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a Zap for it. So I want only content idea, the email that has the subject content idea, to populate inside the Google Sheet. So this is what I will do. I'll first of all set up my Google Sheet for my Zap, and we'll come here. So the first thing that we need to do is to create firstly our Google Sheet. Okay, I created this for the purpose of this video. So because I was looking to create content ideas which my team members will send to me on my email, so I labeled it content ideas for YouTube, and then this is the ones that I got. Okay, so what we are going now to do is you now first of all create your Google Sheet. Come here and name it date, form, from, subject, body. Okay, name the sheets that you want to populate firstly. I don't know what you want to do, but anything that you want to do with this, just name it. Make sure you name it. Then after that, come to your Zap and then create your Zap. The first thing I did here was my trigger is Gmail. Okay, my trigger is Gmail. I mentioned that my trigger is Gmail, and here now the trigger event is new labeled email. I'll tell you why I do this. New labeled email. Okay, I chose new labeled email because we cannot use filter here because I'm using a free version, so I cannot use filter. I can't publish if I use filter, so that's why I chose to use new labeled, and I've already labeled the exact email that I want to populate inside my Google Sheet. Okay, so I've already labeled it on my Gmail. So when this Gmail comes in, Zapier will recognize it and populate it inside my Google Sheet. So instead of random email coming from my Gmail to Google Sheet, Zapier will recognize that this is the specific email that I want to populate here on my Google Sheet. So let me show you how I did this. So after I've already created my Google Sheet, I'll go over to my Gmail. And then create I'll just label. I'll create this label so that Zapier will recognize this that's coming from my Gmail, so that it's going to populate inside Google Sheet. So as you can see here, this is the ones I did before. These are the label. So this is how to create the label. When you come here, you come to your search mail. On your mail, just click here and then come to subject and type in what you want Zapier to recognize. For my case now, I want it to recognize content idea. So now I'm going to copy the same thing and also paste it on this that says has the word content idea. Paste it there and then create filter. Just click on create filter. Then when you, after clicking on it, it will bring you here. Then click on here that says apply the label. Click on it and then choose new label. And then add the label that you want Zapier to see. The label that's Zapier content idea. Just name it Zapier something something, Zapier whatever you want to do. So for me now, I want to do Zapier content idea. Okay, Zapier content idea. So you now click on create. Okay, just click on create. I don't want to click on create because I've already created it. Now what I will do is, because it's already here, I'll just click on my Zapier content idea, and here I'll create filter. So it has already created. As you can see, you see that these are all the content ideas that came in here, and my Gmail labeled them for me so that Zapier will recognize it and push it to Google Sheets. So after you have already done this, now come to your Zapier. That's when you can be able to, after clicking on new labeled email, okay, you click on continue. Then when you come here, this is where this label or mailbox, this is where you now come, click on it and scroll up. Then you see it down here and click on it, then click on continue. When you click on continue, you can click on find new records, so that it will see the records that maybe someone sent to you. And meanwhile, before you do that, make sure you send yourself, maybe you can use another person's email and send yourself an email using the same labeled subject that you created on your Gmail, so that Zapier will recognize it. Make sure to first of all send yourself an email. So this is the ones that I created before. This is it, and then you see why this is the content idea that someone sent to me, and then click on it, then click on continue. When you click on continue, it's going to bring you to this Google Sheet. Google Sheet is our action. So what you are going to do now is, when you come to your sheet, you now click on create spreadsheet row. That's what we want to do. That's our action. We want to create a spreadsheet row. So this is it here. So after that, you connect your account here. Okay, it's easy to do. Just click on here to connect, and after that click on continue, and it will bring you here. Then here click on my Google Drive, then the spreadsheet. So here you are going to see that Google Sheet that you have already renamed or named. Here now just click on it, and then the worksheet can be worksheet 1, worksheet 2, but here you see the worksheet content idea. You click on it, then you leave this one as it is. Then here, because you have already named your sheet, name these columns, these rows, you have already named them, you can now come here to map them. So here now I mapped my dates. You click on here and search in date. Click on here to search in date, and then map your date. Okay, map it here, then come here again and then map your from. Just click on this plus button and search on it. You see your from, because Zapier is recognizing it because you have already inputted it on your sheet. So Zapier will recognize it when mapping it on your Google Sheet here. So click on plus button here again and map all of them, and when you are through, just continue. Click on continue, and when you click on continue, you're going to retest this. Okay, retest it so that you can know whether it's working. Then go over to your sheet, and you can see this just came in. Okay, this just came in. It came out twice because this was here before. So this one is just the latest one that came, because nobody has sent me any email. Okay, nobody has sent me an email containing content idea. That's why this one came in again. So this is just how it is. This is just how to connect your Google Sheets, your Gmail to your Google Sheet. Okay, if you want a specific email to come in without you using filter if you are using a free account. So after that, you click on publish. I cannot click on publish because I did not change anything, but for you, you will see publish. And after that, make sure you rename, you come here to rename your Zap so that you recognize it. Just rename the Zap here, and yeah, that's it. That's how to connect your Gmail to Google Sheets using Zapier. I hope this video is helpful. Please drop your question and I'll be glad to answer you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.